Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a get ready with me using the MAC lipstick Ruby Woo. So let's get started. So the two palettes that I'm going to be using today in this tutorial, James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be using this new palette that I purchased. So y'all, this is so cute. And as I promised y'all, I was gonna do a red lip. So that's what this video is gonna be mostly about. Obviously you can see I got on a little red for y'all, little red, put on some little red shoes. When I get to the mall, I probably, do like a little picture for y'all so y'all can see what your girl wearing. All right, so my face is freshly exfoliated with Bliss products. I use their exfoliating jelly, and then I went in with their the pink serum the pink face wash that I use. I've already done a video on that, but those two are my favorites. I also love that blue one that I showed you guys before that was like $2.99. It was like this big. Y'all, that removes your makeup so well. So stop using the makeup wipes and get you some makeup remover like that, because that's really good. And I use their toner also. So everything I use is really from Bliss. So like I said, I don't really have bad skin or anything like that. So I break out just like any, regular smegular old person when it's that time, or if I'm stressed or something like that. That's when I probably break out. But other than that, my face is pretty chilled, laid back, gives your girl no problems. And that was just, y'all already know, I love putting on my vitamin E oil. Y'all, so my face was literally just looking so dry just now, and now it's looking hydrated, like straight up. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Y'all already know the SPF that I use is Mary Kay, so make sure that you are putting on sunscreen if you plan on being outside or anything like that. So I know y'all like, why are you not using your milk? I know you love it. I do, but I also want to alternate. I don't want to just use the same thing every single time. So y'all know I've been on that whole milk wave, but today I was deciding to go ahead and use e.l.f. For some reason it was just staring at me. It was like an e.l.f. on the shelf or whatever. And be like, sis, use me, please. Okay, so now that my face is hydrated, I'm going to just let that sit for a minute and, get into my skin. So y'all already know I'm gonna start on my brows. So this is my Mary Kay brow brush, and it has the end where you can dip the pomade in as well. So I'm gonna just start off by brushing my brows upward. So I've already said this on my channel before, but this is the Essence eyebrow pomade pencil, and this I got from Ulta, but it's in the color dark brown. And I like to start off with this first because it does have like a little angle, so it makes it really easy. And it's so light too, y'all. It's a light little pencil. Right now I'm just gonna outline them so y'all can just watch me do that. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia. Yo, I dropped this morning. I almost passed out because I thought it broke, but it didn't. So it's strong, and I have hardwood floors, so I was like, oh my gosh, I hope she survived, and she did. And as you can see when I'm doing my brows, I'm going like upward. So I'm gonna go in now with this Great Lash by Maybelline, and like I told y'all, this be having your brows just stuck. Like you put some got to be glued on there, like they not moving. And you want to let that dry. You already know you could go back in always later and clean up your brows a little more if you have to. But for me, I'm gonna go ahead and move on. We are using some LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all already know this is a throwback. I'm using just a regular fluffy brush to kind of like blend that out a little bit. So I'm going in with this, like I said, this is a new palette. I'm going in with this macchiato color, which is this brownish color right here. And that's gonna be the first color that I place onto my eyelid. And I'm gonna place that color like literally all over my eyelid. Yes, come on, come through $6.99 little palette, yes. So for my brows, I am gonna be using my L'Oreal. I am using my e.l.f. brush to apply this on. You wanna make sure you get as close to your brows as possible. I'm gonna take a little bit of my L'Oreal and put it right on top, like I'm doing. Just right on top of that brown. I'm stretching it out a little bit so you can see that it's going like right out to the corner of my eye. And I would have used my LA Girl for this part, but I realized that my LA Girl was a little too dark, so, and I need this to be a little bit light right here. And y'all already know, I told y'all before, this concealer does dry very quickly, so make sure you use your time wisely, all right? So going into my James Charles palette now, I'm gonna take the Your Kidding color. It's red. Ooh, but I like that rustic color too. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to try that too. But let me show y'all. So it's this red right here I'm taking. This is how the red looks. It is very pigmented. Okay, I need a different brush. We are gonna use this Milani brush. That brush was too fluffy for what I'm trying to do, and I'm scared. Okay, yeah, this is better. And you just kind of want to pick it up and place it. Y'all know I blend it in later. I'm gonna take that brush that I first used for the red, that was kind of fluffy, and use that to kind of like blend this out. I'm also going to blend out my concealer real quick. And I'm taking my Eco Styling Tools brush to blend it out. Going back in with my L'Oreal. This is when I'm gonna put that last color on top just to like brighten everything up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this color from this new palette, and I'm gonna use the Latte color. It's kind of like a goldish, but soft goldish color. Just to give my eyes a little sparkle, it's this color right here. And I'm just gonna see how it look. I don't know how it's gonna look now. We just trying it out. So I'm going back into that red color because like I said, I do want this color to stand out. But this right here is a vibe, honey. I'm already feeling like changing my clothes at this point. Because I feel like I need to wear a sundress today instead of what I have on. I'm going back in with that first brush we had, which was the brown, using the Macchiato. And I'm kind of just going on top because I do want to deepen that area a little bit. And you can tell the difference, like, yeah, I like it a little more, just a little deeper. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do our skin, our foundation. Let's put on our face. So I'm going in with the Milani, and I did like this one because it had like the little stick thing. And I'm gonna use a brush today, I think, to do my foundation. I have this Eco Tools brush I'm gonna use. I'm gonna spray it first with a little bit of my setting spray. I think I'm gonna go in with a little more foundation, y'all. Not a lot, like literally like just a little bit more. Boom. Okay, that was not good. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's it. That's it, cousins. That's it. And because I want to make sure it's all covered, y'all. I can't be going to these coffee shops and taking my cute little pictures and I ain't got no full coverage now. I really like this little foundation. It's so light. But it looks so natural though. I'm going in with these little sponges that I get from the dollar store, y'all. Rack up if you can. You can get them from Walmart, Target, but they ain't $1. I think they like $3, $4. And I'm just using that just to like make sure everything is like patted nicely in my skin. Y'all, I'm like, baby, this foundation is where it's in. Okay. I really like this. I like the way this is going. I'm going in with my concealer. I'm still using my L'Oreal concealer underneath my eyes. And I'm not using much concealer, like, I don't think I need much concealer. And that's pretty much it on concealer for me. Y'all know I'm not really like, I don't know what I'm doing really with the concealer. I need to stay in my comfort zone with that. Cause I ain't trying to be walking out here looking like, ooh, ooh. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be walking out here looking like a ghost. And y'all over here like clowning me. Like, sis, what's going on? I'm gonna be like, I don't even know. Y'all know I like this little area to be a little bit highlighted, and that's why I take it up. But you don't have to if you don't like that look. You could keep it just right underneath your eye if you want. But me, I like my cheekbones to show a little more. Okay, next is we're gonna use some Sasha Buttercup. And today I think I might go to Sephora and get me the Laura Mercier setting powder. Y'all already knew that I tried it before and I kind of liked it. It was very much light on the lighter side, but I did like the glow that it had. So I may go back to Sephora and pick that up. So I am going to snatch my nose in just a little bit because, I mean, it's only right. I'm going in with my Fenty and I'm just gonna do a little. So I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette and I'm using the, I'm using the No Beans and that's this brown color. Y'all, this palette too big to be doing that. That's this brown color right here. And I'm just gonna use that to kind of darken the area of, you know, right here coming down to my nose like this. Yeah, okay, boom. So I'm gonna blend that out now. And that's just giving you a little more the definition basically. I'm gonna use a little bit of my concealer, y'all. And I first gotta find my concealer brush. All right, we getting it done today. So I have this red liner. Y'all don't even know where I got this from. I feel like I got it from Kohl's and it's called Real Red. I don't even know, y'all. I don't even really wear red lipstick until just recently. So yeah. And I am purposely overlining my lips, y'all, because I just feel like that it makes my lips look more fuller. All right, this is the moment you and I've been waiting for. So I'm using two different ones, y'all. I'm gonna try the MAC first. I may only need the MAC, but I really did like this Revolution one from my last video. This one was the way it's at. But I just got this one, so I kind of want to see what this gonna do. So this is it. It's the red MAC. Oh yeah. Oh, that dried quick. This is in the color, y'all, Ruby Woo. Okay. Okay. I'm feeling it. All right, y'all. So my face is still drying. I'm not gonna use this one because it doesn't even make sense to use this one because this is perfect how it is. Like, I don't even need to do nothing with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take off my extra powder underneath my eyes. Okay, y'all, I'm about to throw on some lashes. I'm not gonna be extra with my lashes today because, like I said, I ain't really going nowhere like that. So I'm just throwing these little lashes I got from Ulta. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.